Hello guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to create your Facebook account. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to the Facebook official website. After that, you click on what create new account. Once you're there, it is going to show you sign up, so you simply need to insert your name. After that, you insert your mobile number or your email address. So I'm going to insert my email address. After that, I will simply need to copy. After that, I will simply need to enter the email address. After that, you simply need to create your password. Once you are done with that, you insert the place of birth. After that, you insert the date. After that, you insert the year. So after that, you need to insert your agenda if you are a male or a female. After that, you click on what? Sign up. So you simply need to check your email address because Facebook has actually sent you a verification code for you to verify your account. So with the code, you simply need to insert the code. After that, you click on what? Continue. After that, you click on OK. So your account has been successfully created. So this is our Facebook account already created. Thank you guys for watching.